Just kidding. Somewhere on the other dimension, me myself would have been shopping right now. I wonder how would that be. Alright. The accessories. Shoes. So if you wanna come and buy my underwears, then you can come here. You can buy my underwears in Phoenix Malls. Finally found it. First floor. Let's go. Really cheaper than I thought. They don't have the 730 model one, which I prefer than 550. Which one is it? 530. So I prefer 730 than 530, but they don't have it on display right now. But they're telling me that you are supposed to pre-book it, so let's see what happens. So the guy told me that Y30 is still not available in India, so he told me to check out in outside of Phoenix, so let's see. I'll do that next other day, right? Today it's getting pretty late. We'll go to Zara and we'll end the day.
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card popping on the dashboard. I've been ballin', free my ladies in the coming down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we're going now, I don't wanna know it. Might as well be going down, I don't wanna know it.
We're going up.
That's all. Okay, I ended up choosing nothing. So, that would be all for today. Now it's late, so we have to go. So see you in the next vlog.